Hello, welcome to WriteRank Review. This is a new AI writing tool that recently hit AppSumo. Briefly about features, it has its own WordPress plugin. We'll test it in the details. You should be able to do keyword research with this tool. We'll test it as well. It has Chrome extension. With that extension, you should be able to use this tool, for example, inside Google Docs. We'll test long-form content creation, and as well we'll see how well the content produced is SEO optimized. The tool can produce content in many languages with a lot of tools, and it comes with several plans. Just to not waste time here, I think the most suitable plan should be this one, where you have a good amount of words to start. I will leave the link to this deal in the description. So let's jump into the review of the tool. Here is their main website. Please take into the account, to avoid any confusion, that they hit AppSumo as WriteRank, but actually they're already in the market as Scribelo. I believe they were targeting Spanish-speaking market. And for example, the Chrome extension is called Scribelo as well. And even for the reviews from WriteRank, they point to Scribelo AI at Trustpilot. They have good amount of ratings here and pretty good reviews. However, nowadays, I don't trust the reviews much. There are a lot of reviews from the reviewers with only one review. So it's better always to test the tool yourself. And for the Spanish version, Scribelo.ai, they actually have some traction and pretty good amount of visits, and they are most popular in Spain. Let's check regular pricing. You can start with 20,000 words per month, and the interesting feature here is that they provide cumulative words. So if you don't spend all of your words for some months, they will reassign remaining words for the next month. That's actually a very nice feature to have. And if you will increase the amount of words, you will actually get 3 team members and access to the WordPress plugin. Also, please take into the account before installing their plugin that it will have access to all your data on all websites. So I'm adding this extension to my review account. Let's move on to the review of the features. And before we continue, I would like to tell you that when you sign up for the tool, you have access to WriteRank and as well to a Scribelo. So with the same credentials, you have access to this site as well. The functionality should be exactly the same, but maybe you would prefer Spanish. They provide dark mode, and actually let's use it throughout this review. I think I like it more. Well, first thing that I notice that for my taste, the tool is a bit slow. I would expect it to be quicker to load the pages, but it's not critical. That's the main view. From here, you can select different tools. In generators, you have access to article generator. You have some tools for part of the blog posts. You can improve content, generate lists, generate metadata, create product description. You have access to some copywriting formulas. You can generate questions and even create an image. Let's quickly test it. And as with most of AI writers, image generator is a side feature. And in my opinion, you would need a specialized tool to get very good images. However, the cat is nice and there is a cup of coffee. Okay, Now, throughout my review, until I generate new content, I will have my history of generation here. Let's proceed with article generator testing. I have my keyword prepared. I tested that in other tool recently called Zupiak. I would like to see how WriteRank will cope with this one. Let the output to be a long. Writing style, let it be second person. And tone, well, there are just two choices. Let it be less formal. You can choose different languages. Let it be English. And let's generate. It says that it is looking for relevant information, but it was not providing me an indication, though it took about only 20 seconds or 30 to complete. And let's see the output. First of all, let's check the number of words. It gave the number what I expected, a bit more than 2000. To be honest, I was satisfied with the quality of the content. First of all, it gave exactly what I needed, several ways, or exactly 7 ways of how to earn money with digital art, like freelancing, selling stock art, creating custom artwork, and other ways. Let's move to the editor. I like the look and feel of the editor. It's pretty simple. I like very much this scheme. I can scroll through different parts of my content. Let's test the tool and try to expand the content. And let's check the extender. Yep, I think it just extended based on this part, not looking at the article as the whole. And you just need to be a bit more specific. Let's test some other tools like paragraph generator. Let it be like this. And let's generate. Okay, the paragraph, I think it's a bit shorter than needed. All right, let's move to the original content. I saw there is an option to suggest an image. Let's see how it works. I think it didn't load for me. Let's try with this description. Yeah, probably it tried to generate one. Let's try something simple. Not sure why, but this feature didn't work for me. To summarize this part, I like the look and feel of the editor. I like the scheme and that you can jump between sections and that it provides all basic and needed tools to edit your content here right away and maybe expand it a bit before you move, for example, to Content Optimizer. That being said, let's test how this content is optimized for this keyword. So I've pasted the content into a neuron writer for the optimization for this keyword. And exactly this keyword I gave to the tool. And we can see that optimization is somewhat okay. It's a good start, I think, but you need to do, of course, a lot more in terms of optimization to increase your ranking chances. So once you finished creating your content, you can access your generations at the documents section. And now I would like to test another feature of WriteRank, their WordPress plugin. Let's use this keyword, Google New TLDs. You need to download WordPress plugin from their website and then upload it and install manually. And from here, you should be able to create articles and publish those automatically. Let's give it a try. We can select the language. Here, you should be able to define several articles at once. So if you are satisfied with the quality of the content and you trust the tool, you should be able to speed up your content creation for your WordPress site with this feature. I would set it to draft for now. Let it be the size of medium. I have added my temporary key for pixels to get a stock image. And let's test the tool. Okay, it took maybe about 3 or 4 minutes to get the article draft. Let's check it. And here's the content that WriteRank provided and posted as a draft article. Here is the list of Google new utilities. I think I could be more specific with my request, but I just wanted to test this feature in general. The tool provided the list of new utilities. It talks about the impact on SEO. And I think it is a complete short article, and I exactly asked the output to be short. It is well formatted. I think this one should be heading 3. Yep. To conclude this part of the review, I think this plugin actually delivers what it promises. You can specify the article, keywords, and generate articles in bulk, and those will be posted right to your website. You can specify it to be as draft, so it won't be available right away, and you still will be able to edit and review those. I was satisfied with the formatting. It didn't generate an image for me, but the content was fine. By the way, I was testing the WordPress plugin of WriteRank on my website named Ketchup. If you would have an idea for a new website, you can go here and check available domains and usernames at one place. For example, you can see which domains are free, which taken. You can buy a free domain clicking this link. And moreover, from here, you will be able to see which social media sites are available. For example, for the name WriteRank, the Pinterest and Medium are not free, and others in this color are available. Moving next, let's quickly give a try to a Google Chrome extension. From this extension, you have the access to all the tools and generate. So provided the content here, I would expect it to be integrated right into the Google Docs. So I'm not sure what is the benefit of having this plugin. Let's get back to the tool and test their keyword research capabilities. Here it comes in form of ideas for articles. You can specify the number of keywords. Okay, let's generate. So here it gives you suggestion for article, suggestion for keyword, and it gives you volume, but it doesn't provide you with the difficulty. Maybe the volume could be low, but the difficulty is so hard that you won't ever be able to rank for it. An interesting feature is that when you click here, you're actually taken to the article generator with pre-populated title and keyword, so a nice touch. And as I predicted, with this keyword, the volume is low. However, the difficulty is 56, which is pretty competitive. All right, so that concludes my WriteRank review and demo. Please check the link in the description for this tool. And here are my final thoughts. Regarding the quality of the content, I was satisfied. So regarding the flow of the tool, how you generate long-form articles, I think there is a room for improvement here. On the other hand, I was very satisfied with the editor. I liked the simplicity of it. I liked that I had all the features that I needed. Another interesting feature was WordPress plugin, where you can generate multiple articles which are populated directly to your website. It can actually save you a lot of time, and the formatting was pretty nice right from the start. They somewhat provide keyword research. You can get some ideas from this tool, though as usual, my suggestion is to have a specialized tool for your keyword research. The search engine optimization was a good start. I tested with a neuron writer. I think it will come to your personal preferences if you like the user experience of this tool, if you like what features it provides. So again, please check the link to this tool in the description. Give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.